Alright, one on time, you must have news. Birthday na si Kelda. Okay, maraming at syempre kasama naman natin yung mga lolo at lola. Ayan, syempre mawawala yun sa ating royal family. Thank you. Okay, everybody. Love it. Okay, thank you. Next one. To you, everybody sing. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. One more time. Share naman. At syempre po maglalaro sa ating first game. Pangasaya ka ulit.